Alright, so let's look at this example where I have 3w squared plus 18 equals 90. Again, step 1, move constants. Alright, and we basically want the constants on the other side of the variable term. So this is our variable term right here. And everything else is a constant. So that's a constant and that's a constant. Okay? So both of those are constants. Okay? So just keep that in mind. Let me back this up. Alright. So subtract 18, subtract 18. That's going to give us 3w squared equals 90 minus 18. What is that? 80, 70 plus 2, so 72. And now I'm going to, okay, in this case, step 2 is going to be divide. Let me get a different color there, sorry. Is going to be divide coefficient. Okay, so I divide by 3 since 3 is my coefficient. Boom. That gives me w squared equals 24. Now, as my last step, step 3, square root both sides. Square root, square root. This is going to give us, those are gone, so I'm going to get w equals the plus minus square root of 24. If I take the square root of 24, this is going to actually, so then this means w equals plus square root of 24 and w equals minus square root of 24. And I have to solve these in a so that they look like a decimal. So I just plug square root of 24 into the calculator, and I see w equals plus 4.898 and w equals negative 4.898. Now, this needs to be rounded to the nearest hundredth, so I underline, look next door, that's 5 or greater. I add 1 more to the 9, which makes it a 10, which then means I have to add 1 more to the 8 to make it a 9 because it travels forward. So what I'm going to get now is plus 4.90, comma, negative 4.90. And that's your answer.